Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Well, I'm coming out with a new buy recommendation, and while I'm bearish on the overall market, feel there's a lot of risks there. As I've talked about being bullish on commodities, the fact that 18 months ago, getting bullish on gold and silver and copper and platinum and all those good things have done very well for us. But I think there's going to be a handoff here to the energy complex, which has gone sideways for the last few years. And while I'm not ready to go bullish on crude oil, the chart doesn't warrant that. I'm bullish on GSG, which is the commodity index, the iShares commodity index, which is 60% oil, and I went bullish on that on purpose. The setup was good, the reward to risk was good where oil wasn't. And I'm going with a new bullish recommendation tonight on Chevron, symbol CVX. I've waited patiently for this. So here is the last few years. So if you can imagine to the left of this chart, back in 2021, Chevron had quite a run upwards. And you can see how overbought it got here at the top and then had a big negative divergence here, flashing a caution sign, beware, a change of trend is coming. And actually, over the next couple of years, 1, 2, 3 years, it traded sideways. And that is a sign of strength. It worked off its overbought condition in a sideways fashion. And now it tried to break out back in early 2025 unsuccessfully. And now it's sitting slightly above the resistance line of this symmetrical triangle. So the symmetrical triangle, here's your resistance line, here's your support line. This is, and so with a breakout above this, which we currently have slightly, but we do, if you measure the base of this triangle and project upwards, you come up with 212 as a price projection, and that would be 30% plus potential upside. So I do think it's possible that the energy complex advances while the market and some of the leaders over the last 6 months or 4 months, technology, namely, have some sort of a sell-off or correction. So this is the setup. And, we have all the touches in the symmetrical triangle that we need. A, B, C. So you got three waves in each one of these touches. A, B, C, D, E, and now we've kind of broke out and we're kind of retesting that. What I'm looking at right now, this is a weekly chart. So each one of these bars represents a week of price action. So, it's more of an intermediate term look at things. But here it looks like we're forming some sort of a consolidation and we could get a burst to the upside here. And that's why I want to get this buy recommendation out because then I'm chasing and I have to put a stop way down here at 152. And then my reward to risk would still be favorable, but I don't like chasing. I like buying on pullbacks. And this week, after a strong start, we've had a little bit of a pullback. So let's take a close look real quick at this little symmetrical triangle. And here it is. This is just, 3 weeks in the making. A, B, C, D, E. Didn't quite get a touch here, but each one of these bars represents 2 hours. So it's a very short-term chart. And right now we're hanging there in this confluence of moving averages. And so if it can hold this, we should see some sort of push forward. And if we get a break above, let's call it 160.5, we measure the base of this small triangle and we project that distance upward, and that's about 8 points, 8 or 9 points. So we'd be up to 168 or so, 169, which again, let me go back here real quick. at 169, I'd be really chasing this thing. So this is the place, the reward to risk is the best. And so I'm going with a buy recommendation right here. My stop is at 152. So we're at 150, let's 157 and a half, let's call it 158. And so, we're only, I don't know, 6 points. What is that? Three, 3%, maybe 3%, maybe not even 3%. Yeah, about 3% potential downside and 30% potential upside. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, neighbors, your family. Have a great evening. Let's hope that we get some upside in the energy and crude oil and the energy stocks. And have a good night. Thank you.